another Tips and Tricks with IC. This video I'd like to show you how to build a series of well summaries. Previously we might have shown you how to change the open chart to display a different well. But what we want to do today is show you how to build these wells as a saved PDF, for example, or just as another chart to display and compare previously. Alright. Once you've chosen your naming convention if you'd like to, or the location to where you want to create your PDF file, then you are able to build these charts, picking up the same data in every single well and displaying that and generating the charts and completing that process in seconds for displaying any chart for any well. You notice data updates just like our apply well tool. Our display catches where we need to be, and the data as always. Now the PDF side of things will generate a lovely PDF for you to have a look and store as a snapshot for that well's data at this point in time. Great time saver and a great comparison tool for any project.